Hello, my little yogis. Today we're going to move, stretch, and feel amazing together. Remember to like and subscribe so you never miss a yoga playtime. Ready? Let's go. Squat down low and bring your hands to your heart. Keep your chest tall and smile. Excellent balance. Sit tall with one leg bent in. Reach over your head and stretch softly to the side. Wonderful stretch. Kneel on the mat and gently lean back like a camel. Open your chest and feel brave and tall. Sit down and open your legs wide like a big V. Hold your feet and sit tall. Amazing stretch. Lean forward onto your hands and balance like a little bird. Amazing job. Lie on your belly. Grab your feet and lift your chest softly. Strong and flexible like a bow. Open your legs wide and bend forward slowly. Let your head relax down and feel a big stretch. Step 1 foot forward, knee down. Hands to heart. Now twist like a sneaky fox. You're a yoga detective. Drop your belly and lift your chest like a happy cow. Then round your back like a cat. Nice stretching. Make an upside down V with your body. Stretch long like a happy dog. Cross one leg over the other and stretch your arms behind your back. Well done, you're super flexible like a sneaky cat. Come onto your hands and knees and stretch one leg back. Strong and steady like a tiger. Lie on your back and lift your legs up to the sky. Support your hips with your hands and stay tall like a candle. Turn to one side and balance on one hand and foot. Reach your arm up high. Strong side plank. Step your feet apart and stretch to the side like a triangle, strong, tall, and balanced. Stand on one leg, place your foot on the other leg, and bring your hands together like a tree. It's okay to move a little. Bring your feet together like butterfly wings. Hold your feet and gently flap your knees. Nice and calm. Great job today, little yogis. You moved and breathed so well. If you had fun, remember to like and subscribe. To join our next yoga adventure, take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Relax, smile, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends.